Hello, I am Pavel Stodůlka and today I would like to share a method how to convert this usual UV light sterilizer into a waiting room UV light sterilizer against coronavirus. You need a few items which are pretty inexpensive: plastic bowl, ventilator, cables and a metal tube which is about 1.5 meters long and about 20 centimeters wide. First thing which we do is to make a hole into this bowl to fit the ventilator into this hole. So that goes inside. We connected the cable. We have the ventilator in the bowl. We wrap the bowl with aluminum foil to protect it against the UV light. We made the corners a little bit round to fit the metal hole, and now we can just put the ventilator inside of this metal tube and we have the basis for our device. Now we put this metal tube over this UV lamp. Here is the top of this device with the ventilator. We take it out and we can have a look inside to see the UV light tubes. If you want to make your device really perfect, you can add this bottom part and then the UV light doesn't exit the tube and the air also is more turbulent inside to get better cleaning effect. Made two holes here, one for the holder, the other one for the cable. We assembled it all together with the holder on this stand together with the electronics. To stabilize this tube towards the stand, we added this foam so the tube rests against the foam and we have a pretty stable device. So this device is handmade for the protection of patients and also the staff. It sterilizes by UV light the air in the waiting area against the coronavirus, and it's been handmade in about 2 hours, and we are happy to share, and hopefully you can find it useful and replicate it at your clinics or hospitals. Protect the people in the waiting area and stay healthy.